Practice makes perfect. Here we have a real practice, real students from real teacher, real feedback. 大家好, this is your Chinese teacher, John 老师. So now is our feedback time for our weekly speaking practice. This week's topic is cooking. Without further ado, let's start. Okay, make it bigger. Cooking. First, our old friend Rob. Let's have a look. So Rob says, 我不喜欢做饭. You know, cooking in Chinese is 做饭. Literally, we say do the food, do the meal. You know, we use do like to say cooking, do the food. But unfortunately, Rob says 我不喜欢, I don't like cooking. 我不喜欢做饭. 不过 I know Rob going to say 不过, 不过 I love it. However, when you have this 不过, that's just to make people feel that's very good, right? However, 我喜欢吃饭. That's very funny. I don't like cooking, but I like eating. Yeah, me too. 我不喜欢做饭，我喜欢吃饭。我太太 you know, my wife, 想要我想要 is good. 想要 means would like me to do something, you know. 要 is okay. If you just say 要我, 要 means want me, but 想要 means think. My wife think he want me, so that's more polite. It's more like English would like me to do something. 我太太想要我多做饭. Here's the structure, verb 多 plus do something. In Chinese means do something more. But sometimes Chinese order, you know, English order, sometimes the opposite. When you say do something more, in Chinese we say more do something. Okay? 想要我多做饭. My wife would like me cook more. 但是 remember just now, Rob said 不过, 不过 is however, you know, however. Here 但是 means but, similar, but sometimes you like to change the words, right, to make it kind of difference. But 对我, I know you want to say to me, right? In Chinese, to me 对我 is good, but it's better you put 对我来说. Okay, sorry, I very strict to you, right? 对我来说, that's a phrase means to me or for me, to indicate the following sentence I'm going to say is in my situation, maybe not for you, but for me, right? 对我来说, 来 is come, 说 is speak, means the following sentence I'm talking is only for my situation, okay? 对我来说, for me, 做饭不太意思. I know you want to say 不太有意思, right? Not very interesting. You put a 有, because it's a fixed phrase, right? 有意思, interesting. 不太有意思, not very interesting for me, okay? 我平常做披萨. 平常 is good. 平常 means normally, usually. 做披萨, I do the pizza. Yeah, pizza, that's translated from English, right? Pizza, we say pizza. Okay, sometimes we just pick the words, sounds like English to translate. 做披萨. 中国人说, actually we have a saying, right? So Chinese people say, after that, you're going to say a saying. That's very good. 中国人说, Chinese people says. 早餐吃好. 早餐是 formal way to say breakfast. Of course, you can say 早饭. 早饭 is more spoken. 早餐 is more formal. 早餐吃好. Why I make it red? Because when I hear you, actually you upload the video, right? When I listen to the video, you kind of say 早 can, you kind of pronounce that K sound. I know in English normally C is a can, right? The CAN is I can do some I k sound. But in Chinese, not the same, right? C just a t. So 餐, you have to say 餐, not can. Okay, 早餐吃好. For breakfast, you need to eat good, eat well. 午餐吃饱. For lunch, you need to eat and make you 饱 is full. You need to be full. You don't just eat a little, you have to be full. Then 晚餐, for dinner, do what? 吃少 you have to eat less because you're going to sleep, right? You don't need so much energy. Then if you eat too much, it's not good for your sleeping, right? So 晚餐吃少 yeah, that's true. Which people have this saying, right? 早餐吃好，午餐吃饱 and 晚餐吃少。Good. 我的家庭 my family, right? 我的家庭 is my family. Sometimes my student ask me, can I just say 我的家? Because 家, if you check dictionary, could be family, could be home, right? So because it got two meaning, when you say 我的家, people may think my home. But if you really want to say my family, it's better just use 我的家庭 my family. In my family, 常常 often 吃素 if anyone watching our video, 吃素 素 means kind of a vegetable food, like without meat. we say 吃素 素 means this vegetarian food. It's called 素吃素 So my family often eats this vegetables, not meat. 不太鸡肉 鸡肉 chicken meat, right? Oh, maybe you want to say 不太吃肉, right? Not 鸡肉吃肉 Okay, I think you mean 吃肉Not very much eat meat. 我们觉得 we feel 吃蔬菜eat vegetable 对身体好 I love this phrase 对身体好对 something 好 is very good to your body. Actually in English I'm not sure to or for, like very good for your body or to your body, for your health or to your health. I'm not sure. If you know, let me know. Okay. 对身体好身体 is body. We kind of say 对身体好 very good to your body, actually to your health. Okay. 对身体好 Maybe I think it should be for your health, right? Very good for your health. I'm sure it's for, right? Maybe. Okay. 我们吃鸡蛋 but we eat chicken egg 鸡蛋 I love the last sentence. It's a question for our audience. 吃饭了吗 means have you eaten? Oh, I love it. Chinese people often ask like 吃饭了吗 Have you eaten? Even some like old generation people, they love to use 吃饭了吗 as a greeting. When they see you, they say 吃饭了吗 Have you eaten? Then you'd better say 吃饭了 I have eaten. Otherwise, if you say 没吃饭 I didn't eat or haven't eat yet, then they don't know how to reply, how to answer you because everybody say I have eaten, even you haven't, right? It's just a greeting. Okay, good, wonderful. Thank you, Rob. Then 白冰雪 let's have a look. 白冰雪 says 我非常喜欢 非常 very much. I very much like 做饭 That's opposite to Rob, right? So Rob 他是不喜欢做饭，白冰雪非常喜欢做饭。如果 I love this structure. If, right? 如果我在餐厅 if I in a restaurant, so 餐厅 is a kind of like canteen, right? 餐 is a food meal, 厅 is a big hall, so food big hall is kind of a restaurant. 吃到什么美味的食物 If I in a restaurant, I eat 什么 is what, but it's not always what, not always question. Could be some certain kind of, right? Here is kind of if I eat some, this some kind of not very not kind of specific thing, just some certain thing. 什么美味的食物，美味 beautiful flavor just means delicious 美味的食物，食物 is food, 食 is food, 物 is thing, food thing means food. If in a restaurant I eat some delicious food. By the way, if any of you are watching, you have any question, just put your question in the comment section. I like to answer for you. I think it's will be very useful for you. Okay. 之后 is like 然后之后 means after that. 我会试着 I love this 试着 together means I will try to do something. People love to say 试着 do something means I will try to do that. This 这 indicates the way you do it. I'm trying. I'm not really very like 100% confident I can do it, but I'm trying to do that. 试着 在家里自己做 at home 自己做 cook by myself. Remember 做 could be to cook in that case. So 每天 every day 我都会看看 every day this 都 and 美 you often see these two words together. 每天都会 every day I will have a look. Look what's 手头 I love this word 手头 手 is a hand 头 is a head head yes 手头 actually just means in my hand like 手里 in my hand 手头有哪些食材I will just check have a look in my hand just means near me okay so somewhere I can get it with my hand so 手头有哪些食材 have 哪些 what which 食材 food I will say what kind of food we have near me okay so here 食材食 is food 材 is material the food material I think you mean this right 食材but I notice your pronunciation for this 菜 I think you like Rob the Rob said like 菜 vegetable but he kind of say kai because English kai right k but here actually C you will say 次 so 食材 rather than 食材 right 食材好然后 then 周末能做些什么菜 then the weekend 能做些什么菜 I can do some this 些 is like 一些some dishes 什么 also here is not a question just means some certain dishes so this is 什么 indicate not sure but some 做些什么菜 that's very good very native Chinese okay so 我最喜欢的 I think you mean my favorite dishes or cuisines but I didn't hear the word very clearly please let me know what's the word here 我最喜欢的 something 是is let's have a look what's 白冰雪 like 中餐Chinese food I love it 韩餐 this Han is for Korean right 韩国 is Korean food 和印度菜印度 is Indian so 印度菜 Indian food okay wonderful 我丈夫 my husband 是 here got 是 and the 是的 structure 是在农场长大的 是的 structure normally indicate something or some details which happened in the past here she wanted to say my husband grown up at the farm right so 在农场长大的 so that's the information where my husband grow up so in that case you put 在农场 in the farm between 是的 and you need a verb here 长大 grow up 是在农场长大的 very good 所以 so 他特别喜欢 he especially like 美国中西部烹饪so he especially like American 中 is middle 西 is west like middle west 部 is part American middle west part 烹饪 also cooking or the cuisine I love this because 白冰雪 always use different words for cooking for food I love it so you know a lot of words very very good and you change the words and make the article very beautiful 烹饪 is a little formal word for cooking or cuisine 好因此 means because of this 因 is short for 因为 because 此 means this like 这个因为这个因此 because of this 我每周会做 every week I will cook remember 做 could be to cook right 一两次 I do 1 or 2 times 这类菜肴 you see here 白冰雪 used the 烹饪 for cooking here she used the 菜肴 for cuisine菜 is a dishes 肴 is also dish but a delicious dish so it seems like a very high level very good feeling words like 菜肴. When you use 肴, people feel that's delicious and very good looking and taste good. 这里菜肴. I love this. Also, there's a great example in Chinese. In Chinese, you put it between verb and object. When you say cook food, you will say cook 1 or 2 times food. Also, we don't need all. We just say cook 1, 2 times the food. Okay, 做1、2次，这里菜肴. Wow, wonderful. I love Rob and Baibing she's speaking this time very much. Okay, so everyone, if you want to practice your Chinese, try to join our speaking weekly speaking club and upload your video, and I will help you to do that. Okay, you find the link in the description. So I will see you guys next week. Same time, every week we have the topic.